Let's first learn some basic commands to get familiar with Kotlin, which is an open-source statistically typed programming language that runs on Java Virtual Machine. Kotlin variables are used to store data to be manipulated and referenced in a program. It is fundamentally a unit of storing data and labeling it with for an expository alias so that the program is simple to read and easy to understand. In other words, we can say that variables are the containers to collect information. In Kotlin, all the variables should be declared. However, if any variable is not declared, then it pops up to be a syntax error. Also, the declaration of the variable determines the type of data we're allowing to store in the variable. In Kotlin, variables can be defined using VAL and VAR keywords. Let's see how VAR and VAL keywords are different from each other. VAR is like a generic variable used in any programming language that can be utilized multiple times in a single program. Moreover, you can change its value anytime in a program. Therefore, it is known as the mutable variable. Here, let me show you an example of mutable variable in Kotlin. Here, the value num1 30 overridden the first num1 value 10, which is why the outcome is 50 instead of 30. VAL is like a constant variable, and you cannot change its value later in the program, which neither can be assigned multiple times in a single program, and can only be used once in a particular program. It is known as an immutable variable. Here, let me show you an example of immutable variable in Kotlin. But instead of VAR, we use VAL for num1. Here, the value of num1, that is 10, cannot be overridden by a new value of num1. Also in Kotlin, immutable variables, VAL, are more preferred over mutable variables, VAR.